It's Christmas.
It has apple on it. Hold on. Gotcha. Hey, my babies. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. It's the last day of Vlogmas. I'm still stuck in the house. Going on day 3. It stopped snowing. Yeah, it stopped snowing. I think they just got plows out today, so they've been plowing like the main streets. More people have died, which is very, 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 very sad and like very heartbreaking. And I feel like I can't even celebrate Christmas. Not celebrate Christmas, but I can't really get into the holiday cheer because it's like a lot of people have been dying out without power, without food, heat, and like it's sad. I cannot do this no more. I don't know. It's just really sad. But it's Christmas and it is 12:08, so it's noon. And y'all, usually on Christmas, bro, oof, this big old bonnet. Usually on Christmas, y'all, I wake up super duper early, jolly, jiggly, like, I said jiggly. I forgot, low-key, that it was Christmas. Like, I woke up at like 7 something and just went back to sleep. They woke up at like 11 and it was just chilling, scrolling on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. And then my dad had called me because my dad moved to Atlanta. He's like, this is our first Christmas without each other in 19 years because I'm 19. So this is our first Christmas without each other. My first Christmas not being at my nana's, like I said. But I'm in the house. I have heat still. I have power. I have my mom. So I'm just trying to think positive, trying to be grateful. But it's hard. It's honestly hard. But I'm about to go downstairs. Hopefully it's some food. I'm hungry. And then I'm gonna open my gifts. I forgot all about gifts. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, don't downplay yourself. Like, okay, just because other people are going through stuff, you can still be happy that you're not. Like, you can still feel sorry that people are going through stuff, but you can still be grateful that you're not. But it's like, I feel bad opening gifts and being jolly when other people are not having a good time. Like, I mean, I'm not having a good time, but my mom was still able to provide gifts for me. I still have a roof overhead. My house is still intact, and I still have food. And other people just don't. So I feel bad. Like, I don't know. But one thing about the snow, it's gonna blind you. But Jay shoveled so we could open our front door finally. Whew, okay. I got a porch. I hear people yelling. This is our car buried. Well, one of our cars. This is the street that you cannot drive on. I might jump in the snow later. Ooh, I hope I don't slip. These not even my snows. This is all. Imagine trying to get out the driveway. Yeah. How would I come out here like this? Dang. Ooh. This is the street. They started like plowing. Oh, look at all the houses. I hope it's focused because it's sunny. They started plowing the main roads finally, but they put all the snow up. So like, you're going to have to leave your car and walk over. But this is the streets. Look at that car just buried. Our car buried. Like, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
I'm a visionary. That's when I was really getting fly. I wasn't missing a drop of nothing.
New Uggs, snow boots. He said he's been on those.
Yeah, that was like since 2013. That's when everybody else was still wearing everything else.
Is this turkey sausage or vegan? It don't taste like meat.
Chicken.
Chicken
It's
sausage.
good, right?
Yeah, it just don't taste like meat. I thought it was vegan. For breakfast, I got chicken sausage and some grits and some eggs. So I'm about to munch a little yumptious, and then I'm gonna open my gifts. These are the gifts under the tree, everybody. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. All this green stuff is the stuff I wrapped. If you didn't watch that video, go watch it right now. So this is everything that I wrapped for my lovely people. And then this is the lovely tree that I put up. If you also didn't go watch the video, go watch that right now. But that bad boy got my name on it. I think I want to open that one first.
You want to show my Zeta one?
What?
My Zeta ornament.
Where? My mom's Z5B ornament. Along with her wall. Z5B wall.
Greatest sword in the world.
Oh, her name. Oh, Casina.
Greatest sword in the world.
Originally from Houston, Texas.
Greatest sword in the world.
My mom is setting out my gifts for me in my little corner. Okay, so my mom set all my gifts up for me. Thank you, Mom.
Hey,
Chris Brown, what you do?
as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be this Christmas. The fireside is blazing bright. Oh, we're caroling through the night. Through the
Night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Oh, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be so special for you and me. Yes, it will be. Oh, whoa. Okay, I'm finna start putting my gifts. Do you want anyone in particular you want me to open first, Mom?
I know which one I want you to open last. Just open your Profound Ladies one first.
This is Profound Ladies, right?
Yes.
Okay. It's from Profound Ladies.
Profound Ladies.
Thank you, Profound Ladies, Kiana. But Profound Ladies is being an absolute great lady.
Okay. And what do? They recruit and retain teachers of color.
Yeah, they recruit and retain teachers of color.
Why do we need
educators, not teachers, not just teachers,
Not
educators.
just educators. Yeah.
Because you need black female educators. Well, not even just female, but Profound Ladies is female. But you need black educators because you have black students. And white educators don't understand black students. So black educators are important. This is probably clothes. These boxes usually make clothes. Oh. What is this, a cardigan or a sweater? Oh, I need sweaters. Okay. A nice little red sweater. Yeah, I don't really have no like nice chill clothes. Wear this with some tan Uggs, maybe some Timbs that I also don't have. Maybe I have some. But I got a nice little red sweater, you know, little business casual presentation in the wintertime or something. Thank you, Mom. Oh, this is okay. This one is nice. Does this box feel like? I don't know. I'm bad at guessing. I'm not even gonna try to guess. Oh, my mom wraps gifts very good too. I know I just need to take notes because I'm bad at gift wrapping. Quality footwear. Oh, some dress boots to wear with my dress sweater. So thoughtful. My mom's trying to call me out because I don't have no business casual that right. Now I can go to the interviews looking nice if I wear the same outfit all the time.
very next day, you gave it away.
little tote bag, y'all, for class. Chilling, you know, when you don't want to wear a big book bag. This is cute. Fashionable. You could fit your iPad in here, your MacBook, maybe a couple pens, your dinner. Thank you. Nice and spacious. Very lightweight. Yep. First day of class. Oh, your cousin. Oh, here's a sweatsuit? Yep. Oh, got a sweatsuit, y'all. Dope clothing. Is that what it's called? Or just dope? Dope clothing. Into the details. Support black businesses and support your family. Oh, and it's open like this. I've been wanting pants that open at the bottom like that. Oh yeah, I'll put her Instagram on the screen so y'all can shop. Sent another tote bag. Oh, it has my name in it every year.
Right. That was something from Mrs. Johnson earlier there.
Oh, this is my Shein card. This Target though, this real deal, exclusive, good quality, bubble, fancy, all of that. Okay, girl. I'm stuffing on them. This could be a class bag, or it could be a spend a night bag, carry on bag. Oh yes. My carry on bag is just a book bag, so now I can carry on in more style. Oh, we got a little side zipper for your medicine, your chargers. This is my new Christmas present this year. Is this new? This one new?
Yes.
It's toiletry bag? Oh, it's a camera bag. Oh, official. Strapping everything. Right here. Put the camera right here real quick. Tripod on the side. Padded. Comfort pad. Yeah, protection. You can put everything. Battery charger, SD card, and the camera. And maybe even the tripod on the side. Oh, thank you, bro.
Wait, can you have mine?
No, I'm gonna get copyrighted, but I'm not monetized yet anyway. It don't really matter. Nice little black sweater, y'all. Something chill, something simple, comfy. Sponsored by Old Navy. Oh, another tote bag. Oh. This way, you're about to be fast. About to snuggle, y'all. Watch out for her.
I said this is the base. Definitely your style.
Girl. And it's soft for the winter. Oh, is this a sweatsuit? Oh! It's an Old Navy set, y'all. Burgundy and red.
Match your own.
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever find them?
No, I didn't look for it. But I got, you know, my nana got me the tan Uggs with the red zipper in the back. So I can wear that with that too. How'd you know I wanted this?
I know you want a sweatsuit, so I ordered a sweatsuit.
What if I would have found it at Old Navy? Would you have steered me away?
Yeah.
I love loungewear, y'all. I'm turning into my mom.
Because the pandemic that made me love loungewear.
Yeah. Especially in school.
Oh, yeah.
I still like to look cute though. So like, you can pair this up with some sneakers, some Uggs. You always have to have something open. You can't just wear it plain. At least a bubble coat, crop coat, a vest, something. You can't just wear it plain. Well, I can't just wear it plain. It's a blanket or towel? Oh no, throw blanket. Give thanks. Oh, and I like sunflowers. You know that? fits. It fits. I'll make it. It'll be so comfy. Actually, no. I have a lot of leggings. I don't know. I'll figure it out. You want me to open this one? Hey, mom wanted me to open this second to last. Oh, it has apple on it. Hold on. We'll be together to make iPhone. Oh, this iPhone.
Okay, so
14 Pro Max.
we have to go to the store to get it though. That's the issue.
Gotcha.
That's the box from my phone. But when we can get to the bar, we gonna go get you one. So you can let them know that we're in a blizzard.
Yeah, we snowed in, so my phone's still at the store. Y'all know me, I be catching flights to flights, back to back, from North Carolina to Buffalo to Miami to whatnot. In style. Ooh, I got a carry-on if you want to take a quick little flight road trip. Oh, is it carry-on? Or like compaction bags or something?
Action bag is, but yes.
You can take this real quick. This probably a little toiletry bag, compaction bag. I don't know if that's the right thing. Compaction is oh, you know the little bags that you put in your luggage to compact it. Compaction. That's it for unwrapping my gifts. So now my mom's gonna unwrap hers. We're in Santa's corner, the Christmas corner.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the largest gift I've ever seen in my life. A 38-ounce candle.
And look what kind of candle it is.
Aromatherapy? Oh my gosh.
The oh my gosh is exhibit me.
5 wicks?
Mom, okay.
I've never, this is huge. Oh, I can't wait to light. I'm about to light this one right now. For my office?
It can be for your personal office or your DUV office. Oh, turn it around.
Oh, 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 look at us. This is so nice. Oh, I love this. Aww.
Thank you, Mom.
This is so cute. Love y'all. Look at my baby. He loves me. Thank you. I love it. Oh, so sentimental.
It had potential. See under. I don't know what at the top. What happened at the top?
my gosh, there's no kind of symmetry at all. Oh, I see. Literally, just told Jay, we only got 1 K-cup. This grocery store need to open up real soon.
Maybe it's the flavor. So then I was like, oh, maybe I get it a Tim Hortons K-cups with French vanilla syrup. But then I was like, she not gonna do all that in the morning.
That was a lie. You know, I'm real lazy.
Okay, now you can open that one.
Just said this grocery store need to open. I need some K-cups. You see, I just had another cup of coffee. It was huge, man. Oh, I feel so loved. I'm like, wait, is this a cure?
I thought it was when I was finding it. I walked past it so many times.
I'm like, wait, I already got a cure. It's a drawer. I wanted a drawer.
You won the
My
drawer.
Amazon card. It
Oh.
goes up to 35, so here's 24.
Yes. Adults.
We'll take my picture. Give my phone, take my picture.
I'm gonna get a boomerang.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh no. Try this again. You want one of these? Or Jay told you?
No, you told me.
I did.
You sent me the Amazon link, but I didn't have time to order it, so they had it at Target. And I walked past it so many times.
Oh, because you thought it was like the Keurig.
Yeah.
'Cause I was like, wait, another Keurig?
Look, y'all. It's civilization. I mean, civilization. There's cars on the street. You doing that? They whole house is cold. That's crazy. It's so cold. I'm trying to take pictures. Y'all, they walked the troop to the store. This is what a really cool brother looks like. Ooh, pizza.
Hey, where you going? You can't see.
Y'all, they plowed our street. They plowed our street. Mom, be quiet. I got this. Ah! Ah, it's heaven. We got a street. What was that? Oh, it's the plow guy. Thank you. Thank you. He got headphones so he can't hear me.